I'm Dr. Duncan McKellar. I'm an orthopedic surgeon in Mckinney and Frisco. I grew up in Plano, Texas, and went to medical school in Houston at the University of Texas Medical Center. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and I often say that my specialties chose me more than I chose it. I always knew I wanted to be a physician. My father was a family physician, loved biology and science, and when I got to medical school, I was fortunate to find mentors who encouraged me and supported me in first becoming a surgeon and then specifically an orthopedic surgeon. My care philosophy is first you must diagnose accurately before you can treat accurately. Many patients come to us thinking that their problems arise from one part of their body or one part of their extremity, when in fact it may be multifactorial, it may be coming from multiple places, or it may be coming from a different site and a source than they realize. I predominantly operate at Medical City Mckinney, and it has been my favorite place to operate in my entire career. All the way from the administrative staff down to the rank and file staff, they have an incredibly positive attitude. The first person you meet when you walk in the door meets you with a smile, and they make sure you know where you're going, to the last person you meet, all of which are done so with a kindness and a courtesy that I rarely see amongst medical staff.